We often find ourselves admiring the stunning looks of Bollywood celebrities, their outfits, accessories, makeup and everything that goes into making them look picture perfect is not a piece of cake. And an important member who has managed to stay in the film industry for over a decade in making the celebrities look like stars is makeup artist Mickey Contractor. Mickey Contractor is one of the top makeup artists in the film industry, and he recently celebrated his 12 years with MAC with a lavish party. To celebrate 12 years of the brand, celebrities like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Jaya Bachchan, Sonali Bendre, Madhuri Dixit, Dia Mirza, Sushmita Sen, Manish Malhotra, Karan Johar and many others turned up at the event and posed for some striking pictures. Let's check out what the beauties and stars of B-Town had to say on their long association with Mickey Contractor and how he has enhanced their looks film after film.
I have come to celebrate Mickey Contractor, who's the makeup maestro, and he has made ordinary looking people like me also look beautiful.
I have known Mickey ever since my modeling days, which is a very, very long time, and he's been doing my face ever since then. And Mickey is a magician. I mean, what can you say about him? He is fantastic.
मेरे करियर की शुरुआत से वो साथ रहे हैं और बहुत कुछ सीखा है मैंने उनसे. उनको ऑल द बेस्ट और आगे भी बहुत कुछ वो करने वाले हैं. I'm very confident about that. So all the best, Mickey. We love you.
I think that he has made all of us so very proud because an international brand like MAC has. I don't think you guys got to capture that, but जो उन्होंने अंदर कहा Mickey Contractor के बारे में, that makes him an international ambassador for India, and I'm very, very proud of him. Mickey Contractor he's been a great friend, but he's done my face and makeup for so many campaigns and films, and I am so very proud of him because जब हमारे देश के किसी इंसान की इतनी तारीफ की जाए internationally by a global brand, it makes you very, very proud.
मैंने उनके साथ पहले बार काम किया था जब मैं 18 साल की थी. I think he did the makeup for one of my first TVCs, and तो मैं उन्हें इतने सालों से जानती हूँ, और उनकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि वो इतने सालों में बिल्कुल नहीं बदले हैं. He looks the same, he acts the same, he's as warm and as wonderful and as magical as he was when I first met him when I was 18, and I'm not going to reveal how many years ago that was. But he's a legend. Mickey Contractor is a true legend, and I'm so inspired by his work ethic, the kind of environment he creates when he works. हाल ही में उन्होंने मेरा मेकअप किया था for a fashion week, and I just felt like, और काफ़ी साल हो गए से उनसे मिलके, पर ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता कि समय बीत गया है या मिले नहीं है कुछ अरसे से. वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं और उनके साथ काम करने में बहुत बहुत मज़ा आता है.